Hello and welcome in this video for this exercise given during the Moscow Junior Math Olympiad. So this exercise is this one. You want to calculate square root of a minus square root of a plus x equals x. So you want to find out the value of x. And a plus x is a non-negative number, and a minus square root of a plus x is a non-negative number as well. So if you want to give a try, please pause the video. Otherwise, let's see the solution. So we are going to substitute and we are going to set y equals square root of a plus x. So if y equals square root of a plus x, you substitute in the square root and you got square root of a minus y equals x. So you've got two square roots, and to put these square roots away, so you are going to raise to the second power, and at the end you got y squared equals a plus x, and a minus y equals x squared. So we are going to call 1 the first equation and 2 the second equation, and we are going to calculate 1 minus 2. This is a minus a, this is 0, x minus y, this is x plus y, and you've got equals y squared minus x squared. So this is a remarkable identity, and this is a squared minus b squared, and this is a plus b times a minus b. So you can transform this right part of this equation, and at the end you got x plus y equals y plus x times y minus x. So we are going to put all these values on the same side of the equation. So instead to put a minus sign in front of this quantity, I just flip these two numbers. So we got x plus y plus x times x minus y equals 0. So we notice that we've got 2 times the same term, x plus y, so we can factor and we can end up with x plus y times x minus y plus 1 equals 0. So now this is interesting because we've got a product equals 0. So 2 cases. First case, x plus y equals 0. So you are going to express one variable function of another one. So y equals negative x, and then we are going to plug this value into the second equation. So we end up with a plus x equals x squared. If we put everything on the same side of the equation, we end up with x squared minus x minus a equals 0. This is a quadratic equation. We are going to calculate the discriminants. The discriminant, this is negative 1 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative a, and the discriminant is 1 plus 4a. So now if a is greater than or equal to negative 1 over 4, you can calculate the square root. So now this equation, you've got two roots, 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 4a over 2. Now the second case, x minus y plus 1 equals 0. So we are going to do the exact same process. Y equals x plus 1, and then you plug the value of y into this second equation. So you end up with a minus x minus 1 equals x squared. If you put all these terms on the same side, then you end up with x squared plus x plus 1 minus a equals 0. So this is once again a quadratic equation. We are going to calculate the discriminant, and this is 1 squared minus 4 times 1 times 1 minus a. So you end up with 4a minus 3. So if a is greater than or equals to 3 over 4, this is a non-negative value, so you can calculate the square root of 4a minus 3, and these two roots of this equation are 1 plus or minus square root of 4a minus 3 over 2. So if we recap, for values, x equals 1 plus or minus square root of 1 plus 4a over 2, and 1 plus or minus square root of 4a minus 3 over 2. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.